The body and the tailgate surfaces are grit blasted, primed, and painted before assembly. This method of painting before assembly prevents bare metal-to-metal contact, which will inevitably cause corrosion. We provide a premium finish coat of polyurethane Imron Elite paint, which produces a smooth and exceptionally durable finish. One thing we are very proud of is the quality of our welding. Notice the quality of the beads. No incomplete welds and no porosity. Also notice that we use stitch welding at engineered points to avoid cracking.